Welcome to Object Animator's Toolbox. So, here are the arms and legs. So first we're gonna do the legs. Here's a fiery junior. Here's a junior leg, a BFB leg, or a BFDI leg, a long BFDI leg, a long BFB leg, a long junior leg, or short junior leg, short BFB leg, or short BFDI leg. Then we have a long junior leg, a long junior arm, a long junior short arm, and a junior arm, original junior arm, a short junior arm, and a long junior arm. Then we have, you're gonna have to learn how to draw it by yourself, but this is how you draw it. So you draw a line, then you just draw a circle. You can draw a lot with and you can make like a victory arm. There's a lot you can make. Anyway, let's continue. So there's a BFDI leg, a BFB leg, a long BFB leg, a long BFDI leg, a BFB leg. Oh, Oh yeah, every time I said leg, I meant arm. Anyway, so there's a short BFB arm and a short BFDI, which looks like looks like that. Anyway, so yeah, that's all for now. Next chapter is facial expressions. I'm going to show you all the facial expressions and what it means, and I'm going to show you all what it means. So yeah, bye everyone. This was a pretty short one, but I will be posting chapter 3 actually in 5 to 10 minutes. Anyway, bye guys.